Conversations. Today I'm in the kitchen with my friend Riley. Riley, how you feeling about today?
Good.
What are you most excited about?
To do a train.
Yeah, that's right. We're gonna make a train today, so get all your supplies and we'll see you in the kitchen.
Hi, my name is Riley Overstreet. I am 23 years old and I live in Noonan, Georgia. I like trains and I like Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah, so we're gonna mix the best of both worlds, bring them together, and have an edible train. I think if we listed the top 3 kindest people on earth, Riley's name would be in there. How did you feel about coming over here?
Little bit nervous.
Were you nervous about the interview, what we're doing now?
Yes, sir.
About being in front of a camera?
Yes, sir.
Does it make so you're a little bit nervous right now?
No, sir.
Alright, you're feeling more comfortable?
Yes, sir.
One of the first things we need to do is get some butter. Can you cut 4 tablespoons of butter?
Sure.
Have you ever cut butter before?
No, sir.
Alright, so these are all tablespoons. So just count over to 4 and then cut on the line.
Okay. Like this?
Yep, but that's 1. Let's go to 2, 3, and 4 right there. And just press on down. So we're gonna take 4 tablespoons of butter right now. Yeah, how do you feel about unwrapping that? Oh yeah.
I cook grilled cheese sandwiches and I cook hot dogs on the hot dog cooker and it's like a toaster and it cooks the hot dogs and the buns the same time.
Get out. What's your favorite ice cream?
Chocolate and vanilla and stirring it up and make a swirl.
We have our butter melted. Do you want to throw in the 16 ounces of marshmallows right there? You want to toss those in?
Sure.
Go for it. Okay.
1, 2.
Okay. So everybody's got their own technique on how they like to cook in the kitchen. One of the things I've already learned about Riley is he is not in a rush. He is 100% present wherever he is. You will always get his best. Hey, I got an idea. We're actually going to need all of those.
All of them?
Yeah, can you just dump the whole bowl in?
Sure.
Yeah, this guy, he's all in. Another thing I've learned about Riley is he learns fast, but he learns by watching. So again, we want to show how to do something and then set them free to do it. I have no doubt by the time we get to the train creation today, he will have already mastered how to make Rice Krispie treats. Do you learn best when you repeat things over and over?
Yes, sir.
Who taught you how to clean at your job?
Mr. Patrick.
Did he ask you to read something to learn, or did he show you how to do it?
He showed me how to do it.
Is it better when someone shows you how to do something?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is put them in there, and then I like to soak them, get each one of them covered. What's it feel like?
Slimy.
Slimy. Not necessarily the word if you're thinking, hey, I'm going to serve these up to some people. It's not like, hey, I want the crunchy, the chewy, or the slimy Rice Krispie cake. Also, if you're watching at home right now and you're thinking, hey, Andy, we didn't know you were that short. What's so funny about that, Riley? You volunteer at Trinity School?
Yes, sir. I love it.
Who do you work with?
Mr. Patrick, Mr. Frankie, Mr. Henry, and Kevin.
Look at me go. Whoa. I've been texting girls.
If you and Kevin had an arm wrestling match, who would win?
I think I will.
Why 4 your lucky number?
Because 2 plus 2 is 4
Yeah.
and 1 plus 3 is 4.
Yeah.
And 1 times 4 is 4 and
Yeah.
2 times 2 is 4.
Yeah. Basically, it's the perfect number. You like math? You want to put some digits together? 4 should be your number.
Math is my favorite subject.
It is. Do you have a girlfriend?
I got camp girlfriend, and her name is Hannah. I love her and sometimes I sing songs to her.
Yeah.
She's pretty and she's very nice to me. Do we need a measuring cup?
Most people would do that. We're not going to measure. We're going to take a chance right now. How's that make you feel?
I'm proud
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
and love.
All right, proud and love. Sometimes you got to take a little bit of risk in life. And what's risky, you keep it going. What's risky to some might not be risky to everyone. But we're going to live on the edge here in the kitchen.
Like this?
Yeah, you're doing great. Do you need me to help you with that?
Yes, please.
Hey, one of the things that Riley just did was he asked for help. A sign of a great leader is knowing when to ask for help and how to ask for help. So well played on that part. Let's pour in a little bit more, because if not, it's going to be super gooey or slimy. Was anybody ever mean to you?
They say bad words to me, and that hurt my feelings. When I'm lonely, sometimes I turn the TV on and watch some TV.
Do you live with your mom and dad?
I do.
Do you ever want to live on your own?
I would like to stay with my mom and my dad.
All right, you want to give it a shot?
Sure.
Let's make sure it tastes right. It ain't gonna hurt you. I mean, it's just Rice Krispie. Oh yeah. How we doing so far? Okay.
Tastes good.
Okay. You want any more of that? Because you can have it.
I can?
Yeah, that's all you. Go on. If you could have any job, what job would you want to have?
Drive a train.
You just want to unwrap that and throw it in? We'll melt this down, throw some marshmallows in. Booyah. Gonna come out with the red part of the train.
Booyah.
Booyah. What's your go-to? Like when you get excited, what do you do?
Feel happy.
Okay, there's got to be more than that. Do you ever give it like a big booyah?
Booyah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. When you get excited, I'm like, all right. Give it one of those.
Alright.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. When you're looking at somebody, you're like, all right.
Alright.
Yeah, we're feeling good in the kitchen right now. We're feeling good. What makes you happy?
Riding on trains, eating chocolate, and playing baseball, and being with friends and family.
This is Riley's cooking show right now. He's going to show you how to cook up a batch of Rice Krispies.
This is how you make Rice Krispie treats.
That's good. So what's next? We've melted what?
First we melt the butter. Now we're fixing to add some marshmallows.
Awesome. We'll do it then. There we go. There we go.
Now next you have to add a little bit of red food coloring.
Before we do the food coloring, what do we have to do with those?
Oh, stir.
Yep, there you go. All right, there we go.
Now I am stirring the marshmallows because butter tastes very good.
All right, let me just give it one big. We're about to cook that one.
Marshmallow overboard.
You go to a camp called Camp Dream?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about it. I've never been.
It's fun. I ride on the train, go swimming, doing movie night, going fishing, and doing karaoke, and hanging around at the campfire and making s'mores. And last year we watched fireworks.
You like fireworks?
They're kind of scare me a little.
Because they're too loud?
Yes, sir, and they're thinking of having it next summer.
So what do you do when something's too loud?
I cover my ears and wearing earmuffs.
When it's too loud, how does it make you feel inside?
Scared.
How do you feel when you're at Camp Dream?
Happy. Now we're going to add some red food coloring.
You got it, man.
Next, we have to stir the marshmallows.
The sideways pour. Not a lot of people do the sideways pour. I like this, the wide end. It's like a whale's mouth.
Next, I just poured the Rice Krispies in. Now I'm fixing to stir them around. Help, please.
Oh man, I'd love to help. What are some things that are hard for you?
Sometimes I had difficult with buttons. I think that's about it.
So things that are smaller are really hard to maybe grab or use or work?
Opening things up, like opening the bags in the cereal boxes, like I have to use the scissors for that.
I put butter all over my hands and then pressed it down. I need you to get a little bit, pinch some butter.
It feels very weird.
Feels nice.
And also I do state summer Olympics, like I do swimming. I do Miracle League, softball, and I like to bowl.
All right, Riley, it's creation time. How you feeling?
Joyful.
Joyful. You ready for this?
I sure am.
You want to press this down?
Sure.
We're going to cut a circle right here with this top and see if our plastic cut works, and maybe, yeah, there we go. Shimmying it down. He's got the height to get the leverage on top of this cup. I feel like I might struggle with this part.
Well, everybody struggle.
Everybody does struggle. You a big dancer?
Yes, sir.
All right. Show me your best dance move. What do you got? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, sprinkler. Little sprinkler good right there. I like it. Oh, we're gonna switch it around. Okay. Sprinkle both arms. That's gifted right there. You can sprinkle in both arms. Go ahead and shimmy. Yeah, well. Let's take that one, yep, and push that up underneath it. Do that, and then you can just eat it.
Okay. How's it look?
Man, you tell me. Look good? I like it. Looks good. You like it?
I like it.
All right.
It looks like a real train.
That's
to
good.
me.
Hey, if you liked hanging out with Riley today in the kitchen, would you hit that like button? And also comment below and give him a big shout out. If you're at home and you're wondering how you can help out Cakes and Conversations, one way you can do that is by hitting the subscribe button and also the bell to get notifications. And would you be willing to share this with others so other people can hear Riley's story and other stories that we've been able to share right here on Cakes and Conversations?
And also you can do this at home as well.
Every creation is beautiful, and everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.
And also be kind.
Be kind.
God loves you, and He brought His Son Jesus to come down this earth to die for us, and He's waiting on us in heaven.